Today, we will show how to repair a Mercedes-Benz C-Class instrument cluster ECU using the Ultra S programmer. Cluster ECU chip number R7F7015-9. Step 1. Open the software and select the vehicle model and chip number. Important! Before launching the software, make sure the programmer is powered on and connected to your computer via the USB cable. Open the Ultra S Prog software. Select Options, Cluster, Mercedes-Benz, C-Class R7F7015-9W206. OK. Step 2. Check the wiring diagram. Click Diagram to open the HD wiring diagram. Solder the adapter wires to the cluster PCB board as shown. Step 3. Connect the programmer. Once everything is ready, plug the adapter into the Ultra S Prog. Step 4. Read or write mileage. Click Read/Write Mileage. The software starts the process automatically. Auto-cracking and reading chip data. Once reading is complete, save the data as a backup first. Enter the target mileage, 888 kilometers. Click Modify. The software writes the data automatically. File write complete. Job done. Simple and efficient from start to finish. No PCB cut. Desolder the adapter wires. Restore the capacitor on the instrument cluster ECU PCB. Add the emulator to the instrument ECU. Ready for installation back into the vehicle.